Hi, this is John at MCM. It's kind of an informal video, but just kind of wanted to show where we're at with our 68 pickup build and our MCM Honda single overhead cam conversion kit. We like to use the D series instead of the K series or B series. It's just a little lighter, smaller package, better gearing. So we kind of based our kit around that. Our subframe is made out of chromoly, and it uses all stock suspension, top arms, lower arms, and front tie bars. You have to use disc brakes, 7.5s or 8.4s. And this is kind of where we're at right now, and just kind of wanted to point out some things. Obviously the subframe's in, the brakes are in, the motor's bolted up with the left and right mounts. So a couple of the products we have are the stainless 4-in-1 header. It's a custom header to make it fit because our engine's positioned about an inch and a half forward of where Minitech might place theirs. The intake manifold, we modify a Skunk 2 manifold, do a pie cut, and tip it up so it can clear the bulkhead. Some of the smaller details, we like using the Y7 fuel rail because the regulator over here comes out on this side. It's cheap, cleans it up. Radiator is a stock Civic radiator. It's just a 2-core aluminum with a electric fan that seems to do the job pretty well. Also with our manifold, we like to go with the Skunk 2 66mm throttle body. Some of the other products we make is the clutch adapter down here. You can kind of see it. It's about a 1.5-inch spacer, and that allows you to use the stock pedals with a Honda Slave and a Honda Master Cylinder, and we use a little bike reservoir for the fluids. The brake systems, we always use the Dual Master here with a let's see, get a better view, the Willwood brake proportioning valve. It's a nice clean setup. Two come in, it's got two for the front, left and right, and then it's got a rear output. You can see it's got the little knob on here to bias the rear brakes. Here you can see our rear engine mount. It's adjustable, but essentially it's a mini gearbox steady that's cut down and rethreaded. And that's about it. We got a little bracket here that's kind of our prototype for the AC compressor. The alternator sits reverse mount inside the fender. And that's about it. Stay tuned.